Welcome back to video number 3 and getting you more referrals from your past customers using online advertising. I'm Chris Johnstone, the president of Connection Incorporated. We're going to show you in this video how to get more past customer referrals from Facebook and Instagram, specifically how to set it all up. So what you're going to do is go into Facebook and then look for the ads manager. So if you're not currently running ads on Facebook, do you have a ton of potential in your business? Go to the search bar at the top of Facebook, type in Ads Manager, and click on the first search result that comes up. It will take you into the Facebook Ads Manager. Again, if you've never run ads on the platform before, it will cue you to put in your credit card information. Don't worry, they don't charge you a fee to set the network up. All you're doing is setting it up so that when you do start running ads, that you can actually fund them through your credit card. Once you are inside the Facebook Ads Manager, you're going to go to the 3 lines that are up in the top left-hand corner, click on that drop-down menu, and then you're looking for the section that says Assets and then Audiences. You can see we've got the big blue arrow pointed to it there on the screen. You're going to click on Audiences. Inside that screen, it has a drop-down menu for Create Audience. Now, there are 3 different types of audiences: a custom, a lookalike, and a saved audience. So saved audiences are the ones that you build inside Facebook's general targeting, and then you save them so that you don't have to keep putting in the same criteria over and over and over again. A lookalike audience is the 1 to 10% of people that are like the people that are in a list or in a retargeting audience that you have. We don't need to mess around with any of that stuff. We're focused on the custom audience. So again, click on Custom Audience underneath Create Audience. Then it's going to ask you where you're getting this data from. So you are going to click on Customer File because these are your past customers that you've done business with. You can also upload referral partners that you have in here and also your warm network of people. Remember, anybody that can send you a referral should be in this list. So you click on Customer File and then Add Customers from your own file or copy and paste data. And you're going to use your own data to build an audience on Facebook and show ads to just these people. Then it's going to ask you to upload the file. So when you are exporting your database from whatever service it is that you have it in, you're going to want to export it as a CSV or TXT file. If your service only gives you the availability to export to something like Excel or something like that, that's okay. Export it, open it in Excel, and then export it again from Excel into a .csv or .txt. Once you have that file, the rows that you want in there are first name, last name, email, and phone number. Those are the identifiers that Facebook is going to use to find your past customers on the social networks. So you click on Upload File, upload that file, then you're going to name that audience. Past customers, I tend to put a date behind it so I know how recent that past customer file is. This is an activity that we do in our business once a month. And for our customers that are in our Done For You marketing service, we ask that you send us that list once a month so that we can upload it for you and keep that list recent. So once you name your audience, you click on Next, and it's going to take Facebook 24 to 48 hours to populate that list. When you come back in and click on that Audiences tab, underneath the button that you clicked the first time that says Create Audience, you'll start to see your audiences populate. What you do the next day when you log in to set these up, you check the box beside your past customer file, and then you click the button at the top that says Create Ad. You're going to run an advertisement to just those people. And as I mentioned previously in the training, you're going to want to show 4 different types of ads to these people. The first is training. From you, it can be your videos or your blog posts, but educational content that you're putting online to teach people about the mortgage process. The second is stories of transformation that tell the story of all of the different products that you offer and the way that those help people. The third is the actual testimonials from your past clients and past customers. You should be taking screenshots of those testimonials or take pictures with your clients at the closing table, use the images to convey and then have the testimonial from that person written out as the text of the actual advertisement. Get as many past customer testimonials in here as advertisements. Facebook is going to rotate these for you. So your past customers aren't going to see the same ad over and over and over again. They're just going to see this amazing branded content about you and your business. And it makes it so that they refer even more and more business to you over time. And then the final ad, the most important advertisement that you have available to you, is the referral activator. And that ad goes like this. If you know anybody looking to buy, sell, or refinance their home, tag them in a comment below. We'll make sure they get the same 5-star service that all of our customers get. And that activator is the one that actually gets your past customers to tag their friends in a comment and actually refer you business. So that is how to set the process up on Facebook ads. I hope that you really enjoyed this training. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us inside the private group in the MMA Connected Facebook private group. If you have any questions, again, my name is Chris Johnstone. I'm the president of Connection Incorporated. Feel free to tag me in a comment. I'm happy to help you with whatever you need and hope you have a fantastic day.